What's up, people? Here is the day one lesson. And to do tasks to grow your new TikTok account to monetization, first, create your new TikTok account. Don't worry about a username for your channel just yet, as that's not important, and we can do that later. You then need to decide your niche. What kind of content will you be posting? A few niche examples could be motivation videos, quiz videos, fitness videos, anything that you are interested in or knowledgeable about. Then you want to go ahead and search for and engage with content that you will be posting yourself. For example, if you are wanting to post motivation videos, then you would search and interact with motivational videos. Like the videos, comment, and watch them fully. You will do this for at least 24 hours, as you do not post any video on a new account on TikTok for at least 24 hours, as the platform may think you are a bot or a spam account. You are welcome to go ahead and create your first video and have it ready to post once your new account has surpassed the 24-hour period.